Meanwhile, the monsoon session of Parliament ended on Wednesday, cut short due to coronavirus pandemic, but not before the Labour bills were passed by Parliament, even as opposition protests raged outside. In the last 2 days, the Rajya Sabha has cleared 15 bills, all without the opposition, which has now knocked on the President's door, urging him not to sign the farm bills into law.
Parliament emptied by an opposition boycott and shut down 8 days ahead of schedule by the coronavirus pandemic, even though much else, including schools, continue to reopen. 4 MPs have died of the virus so far, and several have tested positive since the session began. But in the last hours, the government cleared 3 Labour bills. The opposition parties and labour unions are against the bills because it will now be easier for companies with up to 300 employees to lay off workers. There will be restrictions on workers going on strike. They will have to give a 60-day notice. Health and safety benefits have not been universalized. They will apply to smaller units with contractual laborers.
OSH कोर्ट के माध्यम से श्रमिकों को एक सुरक्षित कार्य का वातावरण तथा श्रमिक कल्याण के प्रावधान समाहित किए गए हैं। इस कोर्ट के माध्यम से हम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के यूनिवर्सल सोशल सिक्योरिटी संकल्प को पूरा करने की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
This government is taking away the rights of these workers, so this bill also should be allowed to be read thoroughly and sent to a select committee. Representatives of the labour unions are called for and their opinions were also sought and then be passed.
Despite protests inside and outside Parliament and a boycott by the main opposition parties, government got all the 3 Labour Code bills passed in both the houses of Parliament. The next challenge before the government will be to deal with the questions that are being raised from within Sangh Parivar on the broad contours of government's labour reform agenda.
The boycott by 18 opposition parties continues, with neither them nor the government blinking first nor agreeing to a patch-up. The opposition wants what it calls pro-farmer guarantees in the controversial agri-bills just passed. The government wants an apology for these scenes last Sunday.
In this fight between the centre and the opposition, it is the citizens who lost. The Parliament was meant to debate and discuss bills impacting crores of farmers and workers across the country. Instead, it was turned into a battleground. In New Delhi with Himanshu Shekhar Mishra and camera person Shashikant Jha, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.